If you have ever tried to create a free logo using any online service, I bet you bumped into necessity to pay to remove watermarks or to download your logo in a good quality. I know this feeling and I hate it as much as you do. That's why I decided to make this video, in which I will show you the real way to create a free logo for your website, company or anything else absolutely for free within 5 minutes, even if you have zero skills in design. For that purpose I will use an online service called Canva, which has huge customization possibilities and allows to create and save any graphic designs in high resolution without any payments. Consider subscribing to my channel if you're interested in online marketing, website building and making money online. And let's begin. The first step is to go to canva.com. I left the link to this website in the description for your convenience, so please feel free to follow it. After you enter the site, you have to sign up by any of the suggested ways. I prefer to use my Google account for such purposes. So this is a Canva homepage. First of all, I want to mention that Canva is not just a logo maker. Actually, it's a powerful design graphic platform that allows you to easily create social media graphics, business cards, presentations, posters and other visual content. But since it's a logo making tutorial, let's go to the marketing tab and choose the appropriate option. As you can see, there are a lot of templates on the left sidebar that you can choose from. Let's say that I'm the owner of the local barber shop and want to make a logo for its website. To start editing the logo, just click on it. Now I want you to pay attention to what a typical logo consists of. First of all, there are two types of logos, horizontal and vertical. When it comes to a logo for a website, horizontal ones are preferred in most cases, and usually it consists of some icon and the brand name. So basically, to create a unique and stylish logo, we just need to choose one of the thousands of free icons and add a text with a custom font and size. Let's start by editing the text. Click twice on the text element and enter your brand's name. You can resize any element by dragging its edges. As for the text style, on the top panel you can select preferred font, size, color and alignment. You can also add some effects to it on the appropriate tab. For example, make the text curved or hollow, add some shadows and so on. As you move one element close to another, you will see horizontal or vertical lines snap into place, telling you when they are perfectly aligned. After you're done with the text, it's time to move on to customizing the icon. On the Elements tab you can find thousands of free icons that you can add to your logo. Let's search something related to barbershops. To add an icon, just click on it or drag to any place. What I especially like is that you can change the color of any element in just 2 clicks. I also want to point out that Canva has a premium subscription that includes much more icons, photos and graphics. So you can sign up for it if you feel such necessity. You can try it for free for 30 days. Okay, now that the logo is ready, I need to download it to my computer. If you click the download button, you will see several options, such as file type, background transparency and image size. First of all, as you can see, on a free subscription plan we can't resize the image, but we don't really need to, because 500 by 500 pixels is a high enough quality when it comes to website logos. Actually, we will even need to crop the image size a little bit, but we will talk about it later. Also, there is a little hint for you. If for some reasons you really need to download a logo with a higher dimension, you can just create it on another template. For example, if you point the cursor over an Instagram post template, you will see that it has 1080 by 1080 pixels dimension, which is twice higher than the logo one. So you can just create a logo using this template, because nobody forbids you to do so. When it comes to the background transparency, a free way to get around this limitation is to set the same color for the logo's background and the background of the site's header. But if this method doesn't suit you, unfortunately, the only way is to sign up for Canva Premium. Thankfully, it's free for the first 30 days, and you can cancel it anytime during this period. As for the file type, I recommend you to choose PNG, but you are free to choose any of them. To summarize, as you can see, Canva really allows you to create a logo for free. Of course, there are some limitations, but firstly, they are not so strict and pretty easy to avoid. And secondly, they are nothing compared to what you will bump into if you decide to use other logo makers. Okay, let's download the logo and I will tell you why you might want to crop its size, as well as show you the easiest and free way to do it. The thing is, the typical size of website horizontal logo is equal about 400 by 100 pixels. So, if you upload a 500 by 500 pixels logo to your website, which is essentially a square, it simply won't display properly on it. How can we solve that problem? Actually, it's pretty easy. Just download the logo and open it in any graphic editor, for example in Paint 3D, which comes as a default software with Windows OS. Press the crop button and enter the size that you need, for example 400 by 100 pixels. Press done and that's it, your logo is ready. That's it for today guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, it helps my channel to grow. Also, consider subscribing to my channel if you're interested in online marketing, website building and making money online. Have a nice day and see you the next time. Bye!